My name is Leanne and I'm teaching the Kronau Museum's virtual craft classes. I look forward to discovering all that nature in spring has to offer with you. See you soon! Second activity, we're making the suet. So here's what you'll need. You'll need a spoon, a big bowl, some peanut butter, lard, dried raisins and some sunflower seeds, as well as some flour. So you should have that already in your assembly kit. Okay, so the first step, you're going to take your peanut butter and scoop it out into the bowl. Into the big bowl there. We're going to be melting that in the microwave soon. And then the second thing you add is the lard. I'm wondering if you know what lard is. Where does lard come from? So you can look that up yourself. You can actually make it from yourself at home using some ingredients. And you can tell me where lard comes from. So just mixing that in, it'll be a little harder, but we'll be putting that in the microwave, so don't worry too much about breaking it up. So be very careful when you take this out of the microwave oven, boys and girls, because it'll be very, very hot. So you can ask your mom or your dad to help you with that. And then just bring it back over to your table and we'll continue. Okay, so now I got a bigger spoon to mix everything up. I'm just going to mix together the peanut butter and the lard now that it's melted, so the wet ingredients, and now we're going to add the dry ingredients. So the raisins and the sunflower seeds and of course the flour. So the flour we put a little bit more in the summer because it's warmer, so it has to stay, prevents it from melting too much in the sun. So we're going to add the raisins and the sunflower seeds. Now birds love sunflower seeds and the raisin makes it nice and sweet. And I can mix that all together. And then I'm going to add the flour. So as you know, we add flour to recipes to make it thicker. So to make sure, otherwise our suet would just be too liquid. So as I said, in the summer version of the recipe, you add a little bit more. Now the next step, you're going to grab a shallow dish, one that you can put in the freezer, and you're going to take saran wrap and put it over top. So that way it's easier to remove and it won't stick to the pan. So be careful because the saran wrap can be a little bit sharp there, so you can have mom or dad help you with that. And then just fit that in the bottom of the dish. And then once you've done that, you're going to slowly pour the contents, so it helps if you have a bowl with a little spout. So once your suet is in the pan, you're ready to put it in the freezer overnight. Now we made our own lard using bacon fat, so you can keep that in the freezer.